Hi, and welcome back to One Bread Bakery. I'm Joe the Baker. Today I have a special guest.
Hi, my name is Cali.
And what are we doing today, Cali?
We're making peanut butter cookies.
They sound delicious. Now, why do you like peanut butter cookies?
Well, because they're actually the first cookies I ever wanted to make, and my family loves them.
Awesome, awesome. Well, it doesn't look like it's very hard, so why don't we go ahead and roll the intro, and then we come back, we can go ahead and go through the ingredients and start baking.
Okay.
Sounds good. Alrighty. So, the ingredients seem simple enough. Do you want to take us through the ingredients?
Yes. So we're going to cream together 1 cup of peanut butter.
Okay, what's next?
A 1/2 cup of sugar.
Okay. Perfect.
And then a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And 1/2 cup of butter. Now I need to cream it.
So how long do we cream this for?
Until it looks smooth and creamy.
Awesome.
Next we're gonna do 1 egg. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then we mix together.
So what do we do next?
We're going to whisk together 1.5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Awesome. Perfect. All right. So now we have to add that to the wet mix?
Yes.
Okay. So let me open this up for you. Just dump that baby in there. Awesome. And I'm assuming we're just going to mix this until it's well combined?
Yes.
All right. All right, now that it's blended, what do we do next?
We scoop 1-inch balls onto the tray.
Okay, so our oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We've scooped out, what is it, 2 dozen worth of cookies. What do we do next?
We put them in the oven for 8 to 9 minutes.
8 to 9 minutes, easy. All right, so let's go throw these in. We'll see you guys in 8 minutes. Okay, well the timer went off. Should we take them out?
Yes.
Oh, they smell amazing. Okay, so what do we do next?
We smash them.
And so now we just let them cool?
Yep.
All right, wash your hands. All right,
Okay.
so we're just gonna go ahead and let these cool and then we'll be right back. Okay, so they've cooled for just a couple minutes here, so we're gonna move them to the wire racks until they can cool completely. Callie, these look amazing. I'm so happy you showed me how to make these.
Yes, I'm happy that I made them.
Are you excited to try one?
Yes.
Oh wow, they look great on the bottom. All right, wanna taste it? They taste good? Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna try.
hot.
It's I know it's hot. I'm surprised you put that whole thing in your mouth. That's insane. Well, there you have it, folks. Peanut butter cookies cooked by my very good friend Callie, whom, as you can see, is no longer with us. It is 105 degrees outside, so she kind of took off. I don't blame her. So I'm gonna give one of these guys a taste and then probably join them. They smell and look great. Yep. They're a peanut butter cookie, but they're super delicious. Guys, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and put a shout out to Callie. This is her very first YouTube video. She was really excited to do this, so thank you, Callie, for allowing me to assist you in baking your cookies. So take care, be good, be safe. Thanks, guys. Super good.